YouTube. So today I'll be sort of talking about the care of both of these plants. Not because they're similar, because they're kind of cool, and I just want to share them with you, these two carnivorous plant. So one of them right here is Nepenthes truncata, and it is it's Borneo exotics BE 3203, and it's the Highland form. I'm pretty sure it's called that. And this is unlike this truncata. It has very nice color, sort of like reminds me of the color of ventricosa, and very pinkish and kind of reddish patterns inside it. And the new pictures won't have those patterns until when it gets older. This clone is one of the best in the market of truncata. The pictures are bigger than normal other of Borneo exotics clone, and this has more color. So Nepenthes Vici candy stripes. This is just Borneo exotics Nepenthes sibuyanensis. This plant also has big pictures, very big fat pictures, and here's the pictures. That picture sort of opened too early, but so far there's no big pictures. But I think this picture right here is gonna be decently big. And I grow them Highland. Intermediate grow shelf will also work, but I have a Highland grow shelf in there. I also put my helium floras in there. And these two plants, they're very easy compared to these. Are easy. There's nothing too difficult about these plants. They're rather forgiving. Another cool thing about care tips. For water, I just use ordinary tap water work. Make sure it's not 200 over 150 parts per million. My tap water is 138, which is good. And Nepenthes can handle hard water, unlike Drosera, Sarracenia, Cephalotus. All of them don't really like high mineralized water. Nepenthes also water them daily. They don't like to be sitting in water. Make sure you hang them up, and then the high humidity. And for feeding, don't avoid overstuffing the pitchers. Insect that will comfortably fit in the mouth will work. Let's see, this mouth maybe ant will work. Excuse me. For sibuyanensis, this is still kind of too small to feed yet. And you can also choose, if you choose, you can foliar feed them. I just use orchid fertilizer, and you just sort of spray the leaves like that, and then they'll absorb it through the leaf, and then do it once per month. Or if it's very diluted, you can do it once a week. And what else I can say? Lighting. I just give them fluorescence. They don't like too much light. They're rather shady compared to other carnivorous plant like Sarracenia, Cephalotus, other Sarracenias. But these they're rather shade living. They can handle shade. So it's totally fine if you just grow it in a partial sun windowsill. But make sure you need to meet the humidity needs. And these plants, they grow very fast, and they're very easy to grow. These two grow around the same speed, but hybrids definitely do grow faster than species. And the good thing about truncata, it tends to get leaf jumps quite easily. But for sibuyanensis and other Nepenthes ventricosa, those ones sort of just, it's really hard to let them get leaf jumps unless they're this tall. So, and sibuyanensis, if you don't know, the pictures sort of like ventricosa's picture, but I have no good So it looks like this, but like fatter and bigger. And yeah, that's just sort of like a quick care tip and showcase of these two gorgeous Nepenthes, all Borneo exotic. And they're from Brad's greenhouse. And we'll see you on the next video.